Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In this video, I am going to show you image with text section. Guys, this image with text section I have developed. So in this video, you are going to see how it looks on the Shopify website. But before going ahead, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon to get all notifications related to our new videos. So without wasting much time, let's start. As you guys can see, I am currently under Shopify Theme Customizer. Now, let me install the image with text block which I have developed. So I'll select image with text. Now, let me select the block over here. Now let's see what do we have over here. First we have image. We need to select the image that we want to display inside the image with text section. So let me select an image. I'll click on free images. There are different categories over here. So you can choose any image from these categories. So guys, you can see that I have selected an image. And now that image is appearing over here. You can see the preview in the center over here. Now let's see what other options do we have. Then we have the heading. So under heading, we can enter the custom heading that we want for our image with text section. I'll say sale is now live. So in the center over here, we can see the heading that we have entered at the left side. Then we have description. So over here, we can enter the description that we want to show over here inside the image with text section. Let me copy some text from the Lorem Ipsum website. So guys, I have copied the text from Lorem Ipsum website and I'll paste it over here inside the description. Now you can see the change in the center over here inside the image with text section. Now let me scroll down. So what options do we have? We have the background container color. So you can see the green color over here which is appearing. We can change the color of it. We need to click on this color over here. And once we click on it, we have the color palette. We can select any color that we want. So I'll select this color with hexadecimal code hash BCB78F. Then we have the heading color. We can also change the heading color over here by just clicking on the heading color option. Then again we get the color palette. I can select any color that I want. So I'll select white. Then we have the description color. Similar like the heading color, we can change the description color. So let me select some other color. So as you guys can see, we can change the description color also, but I feel that white will look much better. Yeah, but we should go probably black only. So once we select the color, we then have the button text. So whatever text we want to give it for the button over here, we can change it. Like I'll say check out the sale. Similarly, we can change the button text color. Then we have the button background color. Guys, please ignore this spelling mistake over here. So currently it is button background color, but it is button text color. Then we need to click on the save button over here. Once the changes are saved, we need to click on the preview option to see the changes on the live side. So we have the three dots over here. Let's click on view. So guys, you can see that I have opened the website homepage, and now let me scroll down. Wow, it looks beautiful. We have a image with text section. At the left side we have the image, and at the right side we have the heading, then the paragraph, and then we have the button. Once you click on the button, you are going to redirect it to the page of where you have given the link. Guys, you can have the same functionality on your Shopify website. If you want the same functionality, then please drop me an email. My email is there in the description box below. You can contact me on this email address. So guys, that's all in this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. To get more videos like this, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Also, please share this video with your friends and family members who use Shopify. Till then, signing off from this video. Thank you.